and welcome back. So today's video I am showing you my fall kitchen tour, and I am also sharing with you a pumpkin donut recipe. So I'm gonna link my shop with me down in the description box or at the end of this video. I went to Hobby Lobby and I went to Michael's and I bought all fall decor for my kitchen. Like I said, I'll have that video linked below if you haven't checked it out. It's a really fun video and I really enjoyed doing all my shopping for the fall, so definitely check that out. But in any case, I am showing you everything that I did with those decorations. Some of them a little DIY, just setting up, showing you kind of everything that I did with the decor. Like I said, this is just my kitchen, and I'm also giving you that delicious, delicious donut recipe because we all can't get enough of pumpkin, right? So I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it so I know that you like it, and please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. My upload schedule has been a little crazy recently, but normally I do upload on Monday, Thursdays, and Fridays. So like I said, I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you my kitchen. So let's begin. Alright guys, so welcome to my kitchen. So I think I'm gonna start behind you where my window is and make my way around the kitchen like this. So this is the window over my kitchen sink, and this is my little DIY, I guess little decoration that I made. I bought twine at Hobby Lobby, and I also bought these little fake leaves and also little clothespins. So I just like kind of picked out random leaves, like no real kind of method to my madness, and just clothespin them to the line. And then I just took pinned the twine up with a thumbtack. So the pictures here are actually from our wedding. We got married in the fall, so our wedding, it has some really good pictures to decorate for fall with. So that is my bouquet. And then over here is actually our wedding cake. And we actually, instead of doing like kind of like a traditional flower arrangement on the cake, we used fake leaves, like really similar to the ones that are hanging here. I actually saw this on Pinterest, and instead of pictures, they had recipes, like fall recipes written out on index cards and then hung them from the twine. I might do that next year. I thought that was really cute to have like a pumpkin pie recipe, or I don't know, applesauce, or like something silly like that. I thought that that would be really cute to do, but overall I really like how mine turned out. And I love that I was able to decorate with, you know, some stuff from our wedding. Moving into this little corner, so this corner is right by my sink. It's where my KitchenAid mixer used to be. I actually have a picture, again, of our wedding party. I have my pumpkin, like a little tall pumpkin in the back. And then I have this little teeny tiny guy, also from Hobby Lobby. I thought he was really cute. And then I actually decided to throw this in. Evelyn made this for us at preschool, and I just thought it was really cute and I wanted to display it. So I am putting this bad boy right here for everyone to see. So that is that little corner. Moving over to my stove, it's not really much, but I wanted to include it. This is one of my favorite fall candles. It's by Yankee Candle, and it is called Crisp Fall Night. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think it smells super like fall. To me it just smells like men's cologne, but it is one of my favorites. Something that I really need to do is like up my candle game. Like I really need some Bath & Body Works candles. Oh my goodness. I haven't been able to get out and get them, but I definitely need to get some new candles for fall, but this one is gonna have to do. So here we have some flowers that actually sit on my island. And all of these flowers are actually from the Dollar Tree, which I think are awesome. I've had these for actually a couple years now, and I think they held up really, really well. Like I said, this whole bouquet is from the Dollar Tree. The only thing that I have to do is I have to change out this vase filler. This is from Christmas. I think I'm gonna leave the sparkly red balls in. I need to take everything out and like maybe replace it with just like everything red, or I don't know. I'm thinking about putting some more like fake leaves in here or something. I'll have to work on it. But yeah, so this actually just, like I said, this is just sitting on my island. And I love that everything, or all these flowers, are from the Dollar Tree. So this is the last piece of my fall decor, and arguably my favorite. So I got this chalkboard at Michael's, and again, if you watched the shop with me, you'll remember that this wasn't white. This was like a weird like tan color, and I said that I would try to paint it, so I had to like sand all it down, and the paint didn't take that well, if you can see. But I gotta say, I kind of like the like weathered look. So that is my chalkboard. I really do love how it turned out, and yes, I did all of that. Happy fall. I drew my little pumpkin. And this bow I also got at Hobby Lobby, and I just kind of like pinned it to the top of the chalkboard, and I like it because I feel like I can, I don't know, I'm gonna swap that out. Like maybe I'll put a Christmas bow up there next time or something like that. But that is my wonderful chalkboard. So that wraps it up, guys. That is my fall kitchen tour. I know it's not much, but actually I have one more thing I can show you. Hold on. Ev painted this a couple weeks ago. It was actually in one of my vlogs, and I thought it was perfect. This is definitely staying on the fridge, and this is definitely part of our fall decor. So that's it, guys. I know that it's definitely not a lot, but if you've been around my channel, you know that we don't have like the biggest decorating budget. If you're new, hi, we don't have the biggest decorating budget. So I pretty much did this whole kitchen for under $40, and I like that, including the chalkboard and stuff like that. So that wraps it up. That is my kitchen tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some ideas. Let me know down in the comments like your ideas or how you decorate, or you know, if you kind of do. I've been seeing a lot of like, I guess like non-traditional like fall decorating. Like I've been seeing a lot of teals and sparkles and golds, or if you're like a plain old like orange, red, black, like those kind of colors, let me know. I don't know, I feel like I'm in between. Like I definitely like the sparklies and the teals and the blues and stuff, but I do love like the orange and reds and stuff. So yeah, so let me know. So yeah, so that's it for the tour. So now I'm going to slide you on into making those pumpkin donuts that were delicious, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to share this recipe with you. I already ate one, and I shouldn't have, but it was delicious, so I don't care. They're really good, guys. So let me know let me know what you guys think.
Let me go first.
Would you want to say hi to everyone?
Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Happy fall.
Happy fall.
Yeah. All right, guys, I love you.
I love you. Bye.
Ooh.
Alright guys, so for your dry ingredients, you are going to mix flour, brown sugar, salt, baking powder, also cinnamon, nutmeg, and ground cloves if you have them. I didn't have ground cloves, and it turned out fine. Your wet ingredients are going to be pumpkin puree, melted butter, and a half a cup of milk. I used whole milk. And you're going to whisk all your wet ingredients together, and then you're going to fold your wet ingredients in with your dry ingredients. Be careful not to over mix it. You want to make sure that you definitely have all like the lumps out and stuff, but you don't need to go too crazy mixing this. And then I'm gonna link the donut pan I have in the description box. I got mine from Amazon, and it was $8, and I absolutely love it. I really like using a silicone baking sheet for donuts. It's really nice. It doesn't stick at all, and you can just like pop the donuts out, and you don't have to worry about like greasing a pan or anything like that. I also did want to add that this recipe can be turned vegan very, very quickly. Instead of whole milk, you'll use almond milk, and instead of butter, you can use either coconut oil or like a vegan butter, like Earth Balance is really good. But so I'm going to pop these in the oven. I'm going to pop them in the tray, and then I'm going to pop them into the oven. I did mine for 11 minutes, and they actually needed a little bit more. The recipe calls for 11 minutes, but I put mine in for 13, and they came out fine. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees. So once they come out of the oven, you're going to let them cool for a little bit, like to the touch, and then you're going to melt more butter. If you're going vegan, you can melt coconut oil. and you're going to do a wash of butter, and then you're going to coat the donuts in cinnamon sugar, like one side and then flip it, put cinnamon sugar on it, flip it. You know the deal. You're going to watch me do that, but I just did want to explain it real quick. So that wraps up this video. I'm going to let some music play, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys forever, and I will see you next time.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation.